Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by verifying prerequisites. Your corporate account, password, and MFA are ready. Next, add the account from File Add Account and choose Exchange or Microsoft 365 so Outlook syncs folders, calendars, and directory. Once done, limit initial sync to 3 months and enable offline mode to speed setup and conserve bandwidth. These choices reduce sync noise and make search responsive. Make sure to allow time for the first sync, so folder structure and rules populate correctly before you proceed. You now organize mail and calendar for professional efficiency. Start by creating inbox rules that move VIP senders to a focused folder and route newsletters to a digest folder. This reduces clutter. Then, apply categories and quick steps to tag and process messages with a single click, because consistent labels make search and delegation reliable. For calendar, set 15-minute increments, your working hours, and default reminders so scheduling is predictable. Once configured, test a few messages and events to confirm the rules and categories work as intended. You finish by locking in behavior and contingency plans. Enable read receipts sparingly and set automatic replies for planned absences so expectations are clear. Then archive older mail with auto archive or an online archive to stay under quota and keep search fast. If something goes wrong, follow a simple troubleshooting path. Restart Outlook, verify network and server status, clear stuck items, and finally recreate your profile if sync or folder issues persist. This sequence resolves most problems while protecting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.